Now I request e-poster Ines, poster number E155, to start with the presentation.
Good evening, everyone.
Can you switch on your webcam?
I'm not able to switch on my camera.
Okay, you can start presentation then.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Asma Fatima from Sarojini Naidu Vanita Pharmacy. I'm in B Pharmacy final year. My topic for e-poster is combating chemo-resistant targeting DNA repair for cancer. Chemotherapy is the chemotherapy is one of the most widely used in the treatment of cancer, but it leads to constant and regular. Uh, it has one this sorry what so it leads to inherent and acquired resistant constant and regular use of chemotherapeutic drugs. Therefore, it leads to we need to increase the dose in the treatment of cancer, and it also has severe side effects. In order to reduce the side effects and reducing the reducing the chemo resistance, we there are many mechanisms like reducing the drug intake and reducing the drug uptake, enhance the drug effects, and improve the DNA repair process. I'm going to discuss about improving the DNA, targeting the DNA repair pathway so that we can reduce the frequency of drug or treat the cancer. DNA we can target the DNA repair by for the cancer by targeting PARP inhibitors. One second. By targeting the PARP inhibitors. PARP is a poly-ADP ribosome polymerase enzymes which are involved in repair of damaged DNA repair. If once when we have given a chemotherapeutic drug to a cancer patient, the cancer cells can regenerate or repair itself by PARP and the enzymes, which is the severe factor due to which we need to increase the dosing frequency of the drug. But by inhibiting PARP enzymes, we can or using in combination with chemotherapeutic drugs, we can reduce the side effects, and also we can fight against the chemo resistance. The PARP enzymes acts by two receptors, BRCA, which is breast cancer gene, which are of two types: breast receptor gene 1 and breast cancer gene 2, and which are normally involved in different pathway for cancer repair. And mutations in these genes usually causes breast cancer in female. By blocking the PARP pathway, these drugs make it. If we block these pathway or BRCA gene, we can it makes very hard for cancer cells to repair themselves. The drugs which have been used which have been identified are olaparib and lizin or olaparib and niraparib. Olaparib is the FDA approved drug, food and FDA approved drug, which is being used recently. The method has been used is first for olaparib. The first drug which have been used is it has done for four phases and three successful clinical trials. First one is Solo 2, then Solo 2 Nova. Mm, Okay, first for olaparib Solo 1, which is done against breast receptor cancer mutated gene, and it is done in four clinical trials and three phases. And niraparib is one more drug which is done against platinum sensitive ovarian cancer, and last one is talazoparib, which is done against a standard drug used for cancer. And we have seen that when the drug has been shown for when a patient with olaparib and with a placebo has been done, the result shows that that comparatively the patient with treated with olaparib shows fighting against the chemo resistance and shown a greater result. The study shows that four phases and 3 trials that have performed has shown improved progress and the peer and free survival of PARP inhibitors therapy widely, and it is now widely used for the treatment of ovarian cancer and also breast cancer, and which is going to extend for other cancers also. Totally, actually, there are 17 PARP enzymes with various activity, but PARP one. Third enzyme is directly involved in DNA repair pathway. By blocking this enzyme, we can combat chemo resistance. Conclusion is the development of PARP inhibitors over the last 10 years has result in effective therapeutic and therapeutic option being available for the treatment of ovarian and breast cancer. And and people are expecting or going into more research so that they could go further for the for other cancer and advanced cancers also. Thank you.
Now I request evaluators to start with the questions.
No particular question from my side. Thank you.
Hello. The
Yes.
candidate has given very minute letters. It is difficult to see even in the posters. That is one of my comment.
I'm sorry, sir. Actually, while sending, I didn't. My information is too much. It becomes so much. So maybe the letters have gone.
Actually, you should have given bullet points or only the important major points. And of course, you can, while explaining, you should have covered all these texts. This is my major comment. Otherwise, the preparation is good. I think you are doing B pharmacy only. So
Yes,
even
I'm
B
in
pharmacy,
fine.
yeah,
Yes,
this is a good presentation. Yeah.
Very nice presentation, Jay. As you
Thank
are
you.
in final year of B Pharmacy. Okay, just I'm asking only basic question. How the resistance occur in cancer chemotherapy? Just tell me how.
So, can you repeat the question?
Just tell me just one simple question that how the resistance occur in chemotherapy. Can you tell me?
Oh, sorry, I didn't get you. The starting
Okay,
word.
okay. I'm just asking how chemo resistance occur.
So chemo resistance occur due to like when constantly a drug or anti-cancer drug has been given.
I understand that, but I am just asking how.
The mechanism behind it.
Yeah.
He is asking the mechanism behind it.
Mechanism, please.
Yeah, actually, due to constant intake, when normal cells also start getting affected, and also our body gets immune or like immune to the drug and cannot act in the same way by the constant intake of the drugs.
Okay, it's okay. Uh, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.